Hello students, today I am going to tell you a trick to solve any series or parallel circuit. So let's start. First of all, we break this diagram. How? Let me explain. First of all, we will give the name of the terminals. Let this is junction 1, this is junction J2, this is junction 3. We give the name to these junction J1, J2, J3. Now we are going to break this circuit. This is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. So we will start from positive terminal. Positive 1 ohm resistance attached with this terminal. Now J1, look at the figure. J1 and J2, between these two junctions 5 ohm and 25 ohm resistance is in series. So we will draw 5 ohm and 25 ohm. Now this resistance attached with junction J2. Between J1 and J2 8 ohm resistance is present. So we will draw 8 ohm resistance. Now J2 and J3, J2, J3, no resistance is present, so we will draw same for simple line. If any resistance present there, so we will make this resistance here. Between J1 and J3 30 ohm resistance present. J1 and J3 30 ohm resistance present. Now J3 attached with negative terminal, including this 15 ohm resistance. 15 ohm resistance, this is negative terminal. So this is the circuit diagram after breaking down. So now we will solve it. 5 ohm and 2 ohm resistance. These two resistance are in series. So equivalent resistance will be 5 plus 2 equal to 7 ohm. So we again draw the circuit. 1 ohm, equivalent resistance 7 ohm, J2 and 8 ohm, J3 15 ohm and 30 ohm. Sorry, J3. Now we will solve these two. These two resistance are parallel. So formula of parallel are equivalent equal to 1 by 7 plus 1 by 8. LCM 56, 8 plus 7, this become 50 plus 56. Reversing this value, R equivalent equal to 56 by 15. Now equivalent circuit of this diagram equal to 1 ohm, equivalent of both 56 by 15, 30 ohm, J3, sorry, this is attached with J3 and 15 ohm, negative positive terminal. Now we will solve these two. Here no resistance is present. If any resistance is present there, so these two resistance will be in series. So these resistance are in parallel, are equivalent. We are going to solve these two resistance. 1 by 56 by 15 plus 1 by 30. This become 15 by 56 plus 1 by 30. You can solve this LCM. After solving this LCM, this become 1 ohm, equivalent resistance, put the value here, and last 15 ohm. These three resistance will be in series. So this will be our answer. Thank you.